Hello, my name is Kelsey Gacek, or Miss Gacek as your students know me, and I'm your student's Algebra 1 Excel teacher this year. This is my third year teaching at Lyons Township, but my 8th year teaching overall. I have taught everything from Algebra 1 to Calculus, but Algebra 1 holds a special place in my heart. I coach girls volleyball and gymnastics here at LT, and I'm also the class board sponsor for the class of 2022. I am an LT grad and received my mathematics degree from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and I also have a master's degree in education with a focus in technology from the University of St. Francis. I'm really putting that degree to the test these days, but remote teaching was not part of that curriculum. Over these last few weeks, I have done my best to facilitate an environment where we can all get to know each other. While this is a different way to start a high school career, I have seen some great things from your students already. Your students have been incredibly self-sufficient. They have never been asked to do so much on their own. I'm impressed with the ways that they have handled their time, showing up to class at the right time and on time, how they have logged into various different programs to complete in-class activities and homework assignments, how they have worked with this technology. They've helped me when I fumble with Zoom, and they also help each other get to the right place at the right time. And last, they've been honest about their experiences in class so far, and that I truly appreciate. It may take a little longer than usual, but it is my goal to get to know each of my students in order to help them be successful in my class, just like always. A few items about our Algebra 1 course. I encourage you to find the course syllabus that is posted on our Canvas page. This has a more detailed layout of how this class will run, but I wanted to speak to a few of these points now. First, all Algebra 1 classes are grading students based on objective. This means that students will receive an individual grade for each objective throughout the year. So on a test, we will have between 3 to 5 objectives. That means on that one test, student will earn 3 to 5 grades. So there isn't an overall score, but each objective is treated separately. We also are not grading on percentages. This is a grading practice that LT will adopt, all of LT will adopt next year. We're just getting a little bit of a head start. So students will only see a letter grade for each objective, an A, B, C, etc. In order to calculate a student's overall grade, we'll follow this rubric outlined here. Students need to have an A on a certain number of objectives in order to earn an A in the course, a certain number of objectives of a B in order to earn a B, and so on. Please see the table on this slide, and this is also posted in our syllabus on our Canvas page. Students are able to retake all of their summative assessments. So grading by objective actually makes it easier for students to know what specific concepts they need to work on. If they struggle on just one objective, they only need to retake that one objective. During our synchronous learning sessions, students will have lots of time to work on math. We may take notes live together, or they may be given time to watch a video on their own. We will discuss important ideas and work through difficult problems. They will be asked to work individually, and they will also be asked to collaborate with their peers. The biggest accommodation we have made for this Algebra 1 course is adjusting the pace. While this is still an accelerated course, I want to make sure that each of my students is meeting each objective. No matter what the full year looks like, all students will leave Algebra 1 with the essential skills they will need in order to be prepared for their future math courses. Please stay connected with your students' progress by checking in on Canvas and on Infinite Campus. Ask them to show you their assignments on Delta Math. Encourage your student to show you their math-only notebook with the notes and work that they are writing down. Ask them if they turn on and are using their new graphing calculator. Please ask them to communicate with me if they need anything. I'm available to connect individually with students over email or over an individual Zoom conference during our Vita Plata time before school, and can make myself available after school as well. If you, the guardian, have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me too. My email is kgacek@lths.net. I'm here to help and truly want each of your students to be comfortable in my classroom so that they can be as successful as possible. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.